I mean, it's kind of like Cribs, but behind the scenes. Behind there is scenes. Behind those scenes are scenes, and behind those scenes, they've never been seen.
Welcome to my music video.
Welcome to my music video.
Let's do a quick on Sammy. Let's just then set up for this. Yeah. On the mic stuff, I really wanted to sit.
Dolly's coming up.
Is that boxes or stands?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. Just behind the scenes compliments. Sean, keep going. I'm trying to show fans behind the scenes. So he loves to compliment me during one of the best behind the scenes, best he's seen. You hear that?
Oh, they're getting rid of me.
No, it's on.
Who are these guys?
Drop the bottle back off.
Oh shit! Yo!
Dude, fucking great. All right, we do one thing real quick. Just pick up that.
Yep. We're getting ready for it.
The worst of it's like right
You just stand, and then you say, basically at the end, you say, "I'll see you around here," and that's it. But we'll cut to another shot of you. Okay. Steve, you can fly in with that. Mark. And one day, for one reason or another, turns into hate.
I'll see you around, Hank.
Don't cross the streams!
Is that a Supra? Yeah!
Woo! Action!
Huh?
It
Ooh.
can't go to the right angle with like this.
And
Yeah, there we go.
action. Well, how lucky could Michael Ray really be? It's amazing.
We'll beat the rain going on this one, boys.
Okay, we're gonna do one more. We're gonna get a little rain. Yeah.
Cool. Alright, that's a cut.
Yeah, that's a wrap. We're good.
Hey! That's an official camera wrap 7